Which is the most populous city in the world? Answer: Tokyo. Which is the most beautiful country in the world? Answer: Singapore. Who do you consider to be the most loyal animal? Answer: Dog. What is the average lifespan of an elephant? Answer: 57 years. Which is the most populous country in the world? Answer: China. Which country in the world does not have a single river? Answer: Saudi Arab. Which bird never sits on a tree? Answer: Titoni. Which country's company is Flipkart? Answer: India. The world's fastest land animal? Answer: Cheetah. Which is the fastest fish in the world? Answer: shellfish. The fish that can taste with its whole body is the? Answer: catfish. What is the largest seabird in the world? Answer: albatross. Which animal has the shortest lifespan? Answer: mayfly. Which animal has the longest memory? Answer: dolphin. How many eyes does honeybees have? Answer: 5 eyes. Which is the fastest snake in the world? Answer: black mamba. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? Answer: lobster. How many legs does a spider have? Answer: 8 legs. Which dog has the strongest sense of smell? Answer: bloodhound. Which is the longest snake in the world? Answer: reticulate python. Which animal has a tongue longer than its body? Answer: chameleon. Which animal has 32 brains? Answer: leech. Which animal takes breath through skin? Answer: frog. Which fish can fly in air and walk on land? Answer: Garnai fish. What is the strongest currency in the world? Answer: Kuwaiti dinar.